There's nothing like walking into your new RV, and the weekend is yours to experience with your friends and family. Experience new destinations, meet new friends, and enjoy the great outdoors. As we all know, in time, repairs will be needed. Experts have invested time and money in studies on the frequency of repair. It is likely you will have uncontrollable repairs while owning your RV. Now is the best time to protect yourself. That is why we offer you the NAC Service Agreement. This gives you the peace of mind to have repairs completed timely and by certified technicians with no out-of-pocket expenses. NAC offers two coverages, Protector 1 and Protector 2. Both Protector 1 and Protector 2 cover the most expensive and most needed components like your water heater, fresh water system, heating and air conditioning, waste system, and refrigerator. It is not uncommon to see your repair cost anywhere from $2,000 to $4,000. Additionally, with the Protector 1 coverage, you get the added audio and video technology coverage as well as the convenience package coverage. That covers components like dishwasher, leveling jack systems, and slide-out systems. The benefit to you is your budget will be protected and you will have no large unexpected expenses. You even get the added benefit of 24/7 roadside assistance, reimbursement for expenses incurred like food spoilage, meals and lodging in the event that you need repairs done away from home, and even service call reimbursement. This coverage will cover you anywhere in the United States and some places in Canada. We are only a phone call away. With 35 plus years in the business, there is no other company you can trust to protect your investment. Feel free to reach out to myself, Renee, at Dick's RV if you have any questions about this coverage or would like to know more. Thank you.